Mga ka-nose, welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ayandiesto. And for today's episode 34, mga must-try drinks plus mukbang by Milkteana. Milkteana a day keeps the negatives away. Is located at Quezon Street, Villa Arevalo, in front of Barangay Hall, Land Heights Phase 2, beside ALT X-ray Zone. Opens every day starting 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. And for delivery details, for Molo and Villa, free delivery minimum of 4 orders, below minimum with a charge of 40 pesos for delivery fee. And for Jaro, City Proper, Lapaz, Mandurriao, and Lapuz, they charge 70 pesos for delivery fee with no minimum orders. And for Pavia, with a charge of 125 pesos to 150 pesos with no minimum orders. For their other branches, they have in Oton, Antique, and Miag-ao. For full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Milkteana. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! So I have here drinks and foods by Milkteana. So unahin ko muna yung drinks kasi medyo natutunaw na siya. Our first drink under Frappe category is their Strawberry Frappe for large size, 90 pesos. Very creamy siya, very similar sa sweetness ng cotton candy. So perfect siya. NANI? Very sweet. Meron siyang tapioca pearls for this drink. Very smooth naman at very chewy naman yung pearls nila. For our next drink under Frappe categories, the Rocky Road Frappe for large size, 90 pesos. Very similar siya sa chocolate flavor. Tapos nandun naman yung Rocky Road essence, parang ice cream siya. And we have here mga nose, their finger foods. So introduce ko sila isa-isa. For our first finger food is their french fries for 30 pesos. Kasama na siyang mayonnaise. Ito first time ko matry yung french fries na i-dip sa mayonnaise. Ang sarap pala, hindi naman siya sobrang oily, hindi naman siya overcooked. Nasa tama yung preparation at cooking procedure nila. And when it comes sa leveling for its salt, nasa tama yung proportion nila. For our next finger food, fried siomai for 30 pesos. May kasama na siyang sauce. Upon smell test, meron siyang toyo mansi and chili sauce. Itong sauce nila, perfectly matcha for their fried siomai. Nasa moderate yung spiciness niya, very crunchy, tapos intact yung meat. For next finger foods, their lumpia for 4 pieces, 39 pesos. So, try ko siya i-dip sa mayonnaise sa chili sauce. Ang galing kasi kahit walang sauce or na-dip ko siya for mayonnaise or toyo mansi or chili sauce, ang sarap pa rin yung texture niya. Hindi siya yung typical na lumpia na sobrang dami yung wrapper tapos konti yung laman. Sobrang dami ng meat and veggies inside. The next drink under fruit tea category, their Kiwi fruit tea for large size, 70 pesos. Very refreshing siya. Nandun yung sweetness for its kiwi essence. Yung fruit jelly nila, sobrang lambot at sobrang dami. Our next drink under fruit tea category, Lychee fruit tea for large size, 70 pesos. Ito nagustuhan ko siya. Very light drink to, tapos refreshing pa. On point naman, yung lychee essence niya for this drink. For our next drink under fruit tea category, this is their pineapple fruit tea for large size, 70 pesos. Wow! In-expect ko for pineapple, very sweet siya. Nasa moderate yung sugar level nila, which is excellent for my taste. For our next drink under milk tea category, this is Okinawa milk tea for large size, 85 pesos. Yung unang malasahan ko is yung Okinawa tea essence. Yung maganda dito, hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness. And yung pearls, very soft naman siya. For our next drink under milk tea category is the Wintermelon milk tea for large size, 79 pesos. Ito nagustuhan ko, nasa tama yung proportion for its sugar level. Yung Wintermelon tea essence, thumbs up siya sa akin. For our next drink under milk tea category is their cookies and cream milk tea for large size, 79 pesos. Creamy siya, sobrang dami ng granules niya. Kahit na-mix mo na siya or shake, busog ka na at sobrang sulit ka na. For our next drink under milk tea category, dark choco milk tea for large size, 79 pesos. Very rich yung dark chocolate essence, yung texture, yung flavor, very similar siya for Hershey's chocolate. For our next drink under milk tea category is their strawberry milk tea for large size, 79 pesos. Lahat ng drinks nila, kahit hindi ako nagsabi yung sugar level, nasa right yung balance for its ingredients, perfectly proportioned for its sugar level. When it comes to strawberry, very similar siya for Dutch Mill Yogurt Drink, hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness for its strawberry. Nasa tama yung balance ng strawberry essence, yung milk. For our next drink under milk tea category, this is matcha milk tea for large size, 85 pesos. Nandun yung matcha Lapuz feel o yung matcha essence for this drink. Our next drink under milk tea category is their salted caramel milk tea for large size, 79 pesos. Okay naman yung sugar level nila, tapos creamy naman siya. Pero siguro nakulangan lang ako ng konting-konting salted caramel essence. Present naman siya, kaya lang parang naging faint taste. For next drink under milk tea category, this is their banana caramel milk tea for large size, 79 pesos. Ito, naamoy ko na yung banana flavor niya. Itong drink na to, on point naman yung banana flavor. Di siya masyadong sweet, tapos very creamy siya. Yung kulang lang sa akin is yung caramel niya. Okay, for rating mga nose, for french fries, I'll give this a perfect 10. For fried siomai, I'll give this a perfect 10. For lumpia, I'll give this a perfect 10. Strawberry frappe, I'll give this a 9. Rocky Road frappe, I'll give this a perfect 10. For kiwi fruit tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For lychee fruit tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For pineapple fruit tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Okinawa milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Wintermelon milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For cookies and cream milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For dark choco milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For strawberry milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For matcha milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Salted caramel milk tea, I'll give this a 9. For banana caramel, I'll give this a 9. Yung strawberry frappe nila, nigyan ko siya ng 9 kasi di talaga ako mahilig sa sweet drinks, pero not bad for frappe. Tapos ito si salted caramel and si banana caramel. Ito nakulangan ako ng konting cake ng caramel essence, pero when it comes sa sugar level, tapos yung banana or yung salted level, on point siya. Yung last time na taste test ko sila for episode 2 for Villa's Best Milk Tea, test ko is yung lychee fruit tea and si Okinawa. Ito, naging consistent sila when it comes sa lychee fruit tea. Last year na rate ko yung Okinawa nila, which is 9 for this taste test vlog for 2020. Congratulations kasi nag-improve yung Okinawa tea essence. So yung drinks na isuggest ko for kids, Road Frappe, si Strawberry Frappe. If you're looking for something healthy, very refreshing drinks, I would suggest si lychee fruit tea, si pineapple fruit tea, and si kiwi fruit tea. When it comes sa on-the-go drinks, I would suggest si Okinawa milk tea, si Wintermelon milk tea, matcha milk tea, banana caramel milk tea, si salted caramel milk tea. Tapos si mga drinks na nag-stand out sa akin, I would suggest si cookies and cream milk tea, si dark choco milk tea, si strawberry milk tea. So thank you so much, Milkteana, for inviting me and to feature your drinks for my vlog episode. And yung owner mismo nag-deliver ng drinks. So thank you so much for your efforts and for your accommodation and assisting me when it comes sa drinks or your finger foods. Baristas, sa riders, and sa owners, thank you so much for trusting Drinking Nose again. So Milkteana maintains their good service, good quality of products, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and are certified Drinking Nose Standard approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations! Thank you for watching, Manos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings from my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesso saying, keep safe and bye!